In today's behind the scenes video, we are picking, packing, and shipping a Roxy sandal going to Holly in Windham, New Hampshire. If you'd like to see your order picked, packed, and shipped, simply order something and send us an email. We'll get the video posted typically within 24 hours. So let's go grab the Roxy sandal for Holly. It's in bin B5A6C. B5A6C. Wow, right here, B5A6C. B5A6C, and it's a Roxy sandal, youth, size 3, 724. There it is. I'm going to double check my pick with the scanner, as we always do, to make sure we got the right item. Holly, I picked the right item for you, so let's pack it. The computer is weighing the sandal. Every order gets a free Surfboards.com sticker. Now the computer is printing the shipping label. Here comes your sandals, Holly. Thanks a million for the order. Typically, shipping to New Hampshire is going to be 3 or 4 days, so I expect it in your mailbox early next week. Thank you.